Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology.
Welcome. I am Dr. Bharati, the Dean Academics at our institution. This session, I will give you some inputs about the NPTEL online certification and try to clarify all the doubts regarding this NPTEL credit transfer. So NPTEL is National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. This is an e-learning platform which is maintained by several coordinators across our country like AICTE, UGC and NITTRs. Courses from IITs, IIScs, National Institutes of Eminence and various other engineering colleges are being updated in this platform. This initiative is actually funded by the Ministry of Education. So how do we, as engineering students and non-engineering students, how do we access this portal to enhance our learning and add to our credits? This website can be reached by a simple Google search as NPTEL in your Google search, or you can directly type https online courses nptel.ac.in. So once you log in, you will be asked to log in and create your own account. If you already have a Gmail account, the logging in is very easy. And once you do that, you will have to search for various courses which are aligned to your program of education and then start joining the courses for free. Once you complete your weekly assignments, you can go in for a certification examination by paying an amount of ₹1,000 and then transfer your credits by acquiring a certificate from NPTEL. So this is how your login and registration website will look like. So if you have a Google account, you can directly log in using your Google account. Otherwise, you can create your own username and password in NPTEL. So once you do that, this is your SWAYAM homepage, okay, the SWAYAM NPTEL homepage, which will have a list of all the courses and the various timelines in which the courses are available and when is your examination registrations are all available. So all this data is available in the homepage itself for your quick reference. Okay, once you log in, you will be asked to give details about your basic information, your name, your age, and then the college details from where you study, and then your address details, and you will be asked to upload your photo and signature to complete your registration. Once you do that, once the basic information and all of the details are over, you can go in for the course details. Now, when you start clicking on your course details, okay, your college details and then your course details, in the course details, you will have a list of all the courses which are currently given out by NPTEL. So you will see that these are the various courses which are given by various IITs and the duration of the courses are also given here. So based on the department you study and the program you study and the courses of your interest, you can select your courses and start taking up the courses for a various duration of time as it is given. So you can have details about the examination dates and the start date and end date of your examination and the start date and end date of your courses also. Now once you do that, there are certain points that you will have to remember before you start taking up your course and you request for an NPTEL credit transfer to your current curriculum. So the courses are of various durations. A 4-week course will fetch you 1 credit, an 8 weeks course will fetch you 2 credits, a 12 weeks course will fetch you 3 credits and a 16-week course will fetch you 4 credits. So depending on your credit requirement, you will have to select the course of various duration. The advisable credit number is always 3 because most of the engineering and non-engineering courses are aligned to 3 credits. After the first selection of the courses, you will have to check with your HOD or the year coordinator or the course coordinator to confirm whether the courses are eligible for a credit transfer, because there are certain constraints. The courses will not be core courses from your current program and will not have a replication of the type of the courses which are available in NPTEL. So you will have to check with your HOD or your year coordinator to make sure that the course is eligible for a credit transfer. Now after you do that, when you do your selection option for the examination, it will ask you whether you are applying for a transfer of credits. In that option, you are always supposed to press an S. Okay? So only if you press an S, you are eligible for a credit transfer. If you say no, this will not be eligible for a credit transfer to your current program, but still you will be getting your 3 credits or 2 credits or 1 credit based on the course that you have completed. So once you select the yes option in the credit transfer, after you take up your examination, you will have a soft copy of the certificate. Now what do you do with the soft copy of the certificate? You will have to apply for a credit transfer through your HOD or the year coordinator, okay, to the Dean Academics. Now when you do that, the verification of your courses will be done by the NPTEL local chapter. So if you have to get your certificate verified by the NPTEL local chapter, then you will have to select whether your university has a local chapter. You will give an S option because in our university we have the local chapter available. So please do not forget to select the local chapter option, and only then we will be able to verify your applications for credit transfer when we receive the applications from the head of the department. Now once you do that, okay, what are the applications of this credit transfer as per our academic regulations? So this is a small snippet from our academic regulations which says whatever marks and whatever credits that you have accrued through your NPTEL will be used as it is in your mark sheet. There will not be any moderation. If you get 45 marks or 80 marks or 90 marks in your NPTEL examination, the same will be used as it is in your current curriculum also. There will not be a moderation. Okay. And if the marks that you've obtained is in some fractions, say you get 49.5, then it will be rounded off to the next higher number, which is 50. If you get 85.5, it will be rounded off to 86. So that is how it will be accommodated in your grade sheet. The NPTEL course list will always be given by the department because the HOD will have all the list of the courses which are eligible for a credit transfer prior verified, and that will be circulated to the students from time to time. So at the beginning of every academic year, okay, your HOD will circulate the list of approved courses. If not, you can always go back to your HOD or the year coordinator and verify with them. Any core course of your program will not be eligible for a credit transfer. It will be an additional study that you will perform in NPTEL, but it will not be considered for a credit transfer. Only elective courses like professional electives and open elective courses and other value-based courses can be approved from NPTEL. So for any queries regarding this, you can always contact the Dean Academics, okay, at the first floor of the SAS building, or you can write to dean.academics@satyabama.ac.in. Thank you.